Sit in any comfortable position. Join your index finger with thumb. Spine is straight and gently close your eyes. One more time, deep inhale and a long deep exhale. Long deep breath in and a long deep breath out. बॉडी को प्रिपेयर करेंगे फॉर प्रैक्टिस फॉर फेस योगा. Just relax. Do some couple of breaths here. Prepare your mind for practice. Just relax. Now join your both palm in front of your chest. Take Namaskar Mudra. Let us start with 3 Om chanting. Inhale. Second inhale. Third inhale. Feel the vibration of Om around you. Feel the vibration of Om in your heart, in your throat, in your whole body. Now rub your both palms forcefully, create some heat between your both palms. Cup on your eyes and feel the heatness on your eyes, on your face, on your neck, on your throat. Look at your palm and slowly open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Just relax. Just relax. And namaste everyone. Let us start the practice. शुरू करते हैं. Take your both arms up. Continue with the Bhastrika Pranayama. दोनों हाथ ऊपर and exhale down. Inhale up to. जो empty stomach है वो थोड़ा सा फास्ट कर सकते हैं, बट जिन्होंने खाना खा लिया है वो थोड़ा सा स्लो करेंगे. सिर्फ लंग्स ब्रीदिंग. लंग्स से इनहेल, लंग्स से एक्सहेल. 3 4 5 6 7 yes 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 20. Relax both arms down. Simply rotate your shoulder. 1 2 3 4 5 anti-clockwise back to front. 1 2 3 4 5. Relax. One more round. Both arms up. 1. Exhale down. Continue for 20 times. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and relax. Just relax. Open your arms and hug yourself. Open your arms and just simply hug yourself. Open your arms and hug yourself. Open your arms and hug yourself. Relax. Just relax. Now let's do some neck movement here. Take your head completely bent to the right side. Try to touch the ear on the shoulder. Inhale center, exhale to the left. Without lifting your shoulder. Shoulder should be relaxed here. Inhale center, exhale to the right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale to the right. Come to the center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Come center, exhale left. Inhale center, right and hold. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Come to the center, left and hold. 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Inhale, center, exhale, relax. Adjust your both palm. Adjust your right hand on the collarbone, both sides. Thumb also on the collarbone and index finger also on the other side of the collarbone. Yes, and दूसरा हाथ उसके just ऊपर, both palm over each other. With inhalation, head up, look up, and exhale down. Inhale up 2, exhale down. Inhale up 3, lips should be together and both teeth should be together. Yes, 4, and exhale down. 5, and exhale down. 6, exhale down. 7, exhale down. 8, exhale down. 9, exhale down. 10, exhale down. Last 5, exhale down. Last 4, exhale down. Last 3, exhale down. Last 2, exhale down. Last 1, up and hold. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up and exhale. Relax. Just relax. Okay, now take some oil on your palm. Rub it firstly. You can just apply some on your face also, on your neck, ear ke piche. Yes. And continue. Start rubbing your palm. Create some heat. And continue. Start tapping from the forehead. Elbow should be up. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. All over the face. Neck should be still. Move your hands right to left, left to right, one by one. Yes. Don't pressurize your neck too much. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take your first 2 fingers of your both hand, adjust it on the upper side of the eyebrows and start tapping around your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Sorry guys, it's power cut. Continue. Yes, and do clockwise. 1, 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Beside your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax. From the nose, from the top of the nose towards the hairline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. And now around your cheeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. In a circular movement all over the cheeks, in a circular movement, and not only outside, just cover up your middle center part of your cheek. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Around your lips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lips should be relaxed here. Don't squeeze your lips. Face should be relaxed without any extra pressure, without any facial expression. Continue. 5 more. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anti-clockwise. Reverse the direction for 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Now slightly chin up and start tapping on the chin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax on the jawline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax on the side ways of your neck, sideline of the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the back side of the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now come in the center and start tapping on the collarbone. 1, 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Now start tapping from the jawline towards the upper side of your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओवर स्ट्रेच नहीं करेंगे, गर्दन पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं लेंगे. Neck should be relaxed here. Yes. Last 2 and last 1. Relax. Just relax. Just relax. Now start rubbing your base of your palm. Yes. Create some heat here. Adjust it on the center of your chin and lifting the sharpening the jawline muscle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down, 5 more, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Just relax. Now simply take your tongue outside and open your eyes wider and hold. Tongue outside, टंग को बाहर लेके आएंगे और आंखों को बड़ा ओपन करेंगे. Yes. और होल्ड करेंगे for 5, 4, 3. ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं देखना है, ज्यादा नीचे की तरफ भी नहीं. Just parallel to the floor, parallel to the eyes. 2 and 1. Exhale. Relax. Close your eyes and relax. Just relax. One more time. इस बार 10 तक होल्ड करेंगे. Take the position. Tongue outside and open your eyes wider. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7. बिना पलके झपकाए. 6, 5. कोशिश करेंगे be there, वहीं रुकने की without blinking. 3, 2 and 1. Down. Relax. Eyes closed. आंखें बंद कर लेंगे जल्दी से. Relax. एक राउंड और करेंगे एंड इस बार 15 तक होल्ड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. टेक द पोजीशन एंड होल्ड. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Eyes closed and relax. One last round और इस बार 20 तक कोशिश करेंगे रुकने की. Relax and continue. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Very good.